This year, I've had the privilege of instructing others in the Santa Claus Initiative, which is a course designed for performers who have a desire to go above and beyond in their Santa Claus portrayal. Over the course of 5 weeks, Santas collaborate, analyse performance skills and research techniques, consider how Santa has been portrayed in the past, and what can be done individually to preserve and sustain the image of Santa Claus around the world. I love Christmas and Santa Claus. Holding these trainings has been an amazing experience for me. But don't take my word for it about what my experience was like. Here's what others are saying after they've taken the course.
I've taken so many classes from Stuart. The Santa Claus Initiative, each class, each course is very well presented. The information is flawless and it's encouraging. You have the opportunity to take an in-depth look at the Santa Claus character and how it affects you. You'll definitely be well suited and well beyond our peers in many different areas. You may contact me at any time, phone, email, and ask your questions. And I will guarantee you, in any conversation we have, we'll always refer back to something that I learned from the Santa Claus workshop.
It's given me insight to a deeper understanding and appreciation of who I represent and what my mission is. If you truly desire to learn more about yourself and to be the best ambassador for Santa, the S.C.I. has to be in your future. There's no better guide on this journey than Stuart Deacon Jr.
If you want to be an extraordinary Santa Claus, that's what the Santa Claus Initiative is for. You get to think about the character of Santa Claus. You get to think deeply about what Santa Claus means to you and to other people. And that can help you portray Santa more realistically, more lovingly, and help you spread more joy.
Is absolutely amazing. So if you have the opportunity, you will walk away with so much more. Stuart Deacon Jr. is a wonderful, wonderful Santa, and he's in it for the long haul.
Nothing I've taken before has impacted me the way the Santa Claus Initiative has. If I am the only Santa that the child sees for a year, or if I'm the only Santa that a child sees forever, is this an experience that's worthy of their time? The Santa Claus Initiative really helps to define that and to guide that.
If you're looking for the Santa Claus Initiative, you really need to go to the Santa Claus Workshop. The Santa Claus Workshop website is loaded with a ton of resources, whether you're a traditional bearded Santa, whether you're a real bearded Santa, whether you've been doing this for 6 months, 1 day, 100 years. There's all kinds of things that you could look back at, build on, refresh yourself with. Through the workshop and taking the Santa Claus Initiative, we actually have built a sense of community with everybody that has been in this class. That all started with just the workshop and an offering based on what Stuart was going to put out there. And I think it was well worth the money.
There will be one more run of this course before Christmas. If you are interested and want to learn more about this, the dates of this next run, as well as all other information, are included in the description of this video. Come and join us, come see what the Santa Claus Workshop is about. We'd love to have you with us. Merry Christmas.